Got a Marantz 2270 today. I noticed that there's no audio coming out of it. So I take my probe for my scope, and first thing I do is see if I have audio coming from, you just probe these output transistors. If you put your probe on the case, you should get audio there if the amp modules are working. And there is audio there. So the next thing would be to check it at the relay. Now, I also noticed that when you turn this on, the relay you do not hear a click sound. So I check here's the relay wires. So take your scope probe, check here, here, and here for audio. You have audio come in, and when the relay clicks, you have audio coming out. If you don't have audio on all four of those, then the relay is probably not being turned on. Now, I know that from past experience on these old amps, whenever you have a relay problem, it's usually the capacitors in the circuit. So I replaced these two capacitors, and the relay clicked. Everything else works fine. It's always the capacitors in the relay timing circuit. There's on and there's off.